नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरे लीगास फिनालिसिस चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। Many a times you would have heard from so-called experts saying, buy the dip and sell the dip. But the big question is how to identify those dips and the rips. Can CPR help us in knowing the dip in a trend? Yes, CPR tells us about the trend and also dips and rips location in the trend. चलिए जानने की कोशिश करते हैं with LeeGa's Financial Analysis Finalysis. So far, we have understood the concept of pivot points and CPR, and we have seen that how pivot line is just one line, whereas CPR is a combination of three lines: top pivot, central pivot, and bottom pivot. And these three combines together forms CPR, central pivot range. We have also seen the concept of width of CPR, how width determines whether the market is going to be a sideways market or a trending market. So when the width of CPR is wide, like this one, then we can expect the market to be sideways. Whereas when the width is small, like this one, then it results in a trending market. And the reason is how buyers and sellers create demand and supply, thereby deciding prices, which in turn decides the pivot levels. So it is nothing but representation of buyers and sellers, which in turn shows demand and supply governing the prices. So CPR and pivot points are nothing but representation of prices. फाइन, तो देखा आप लोगों ने कि सीपीआर कितना महत्वपूर्ण है, कि बेसिक्स को समझना उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि ये हमें मार्केट को समझने में बहुत ही ज्यादा हेल्प करता है। तो आज हम लोग जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि कैसे सीपीआर हमें अप ट्रेंड और डाउन ट्रेंड बताता है, एंड हाउ डू वी फाइंड रिप्स एंड डिप्स ऑन दोज ट्रेंड्स। सो लेट्स मूव अहेड। आगे बढ़ने से पहले ये जान लेते हैं कि ट्रेंड आखिर होता क्या है। जनरली ट्रेंड दो तरह के होते हैं, आइदर अप ट्रेंड और डाउन ट्रेंड। तो अप ट्रेंड में क्या होता है कि मार्केट में प्राइसेस goes high, then does some correction, then again goes high and makes some correction, so again goes upwards, thereby in the process making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. In the downtrend, on the contrary, the market follows a reverse order. पहले prices नीचे आता है, then it does some correction, again comes down, again making some correction, again coming down, thereby in the process making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Therefore, in the uptrend, market is moving upwards, whereas in the downtrend, market follows a downtrend, where prices comes down, making lower lows and lower highs, and in uptrend, prices moves up, making higher highs and higher lows. चलिए, तो इस कॉन्सेप्ट को और अच्छी तरीके से समझने के लिए मैं आपको ट्रेडिंग व्यू के चार्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे ले आया हूं। यहां लगा देता हूं मैं लीगा चार्ट। वी विल गो टू इंडिकेटर्स, गो टू आवर फेवरेट्स एंड अप्लाई दी लीगास चार्ट। तो ये हमारा लीगा का चार्ट ट्रेडिंग व्यू प्लेटफॉर्म पे लग चुका है। अब हम लोग देखेंगे कि हाउ सीपीआर एंड पिवट पॉइंट्स हेल्प अस इन नोइंग द अप ट्रेंड एंड डाउन ट्रेंड। तो चलिए सीपीआर की मदद से हम लोग ट्रेंड को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले डाउन ट्रेंड को देख लेते हैं हम लोग। जब भी सक्सेसिव डेज के सीपीआर्स एक दूसरे के नीचे बनना शुरू कर देंगे, इट मीन्स द सीपीआर ऑफ सक्सेसिव डेज आर डिसेंडिंग in order, it means there is a downtrend. जैसे आप इस एग्जांपल में देख सकते हैं, this is the CPR for 30th. For 31st, the CPR is below. Again, for the next day, the CPR is again lower in comparison to previous day. And on the very next day, it is further below, thereby forming a downtrend. तो डाउन ट्रेंड हमें तब पता चलेगा whenever we see that for successive days the CPRs are forming one below the other, it means there is a setup of downtrend. Okay, let's see one more example. Here again हम देख रहे हैं कि for this particular day CPR is here, for the next day it is here, 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 here. The CPRs clearly descending in order, thereby we see a downtrend in the market. See, every day prices are going down. So descending CPR represents downtrend. One more example. Here again, the CPRs are descending and we see a bearish market where prices are falling constantly. एक और एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं। इस एग्जांपल में there is clear downtrend और आप देख सकते हैं कि there is a descending CPR. The CPRs are moving downwards. यहाँ पे थोड़े टाइम के लिए ये sideways मूव कर रहा है, downwards, descending. So descending CPR represents a downtrend market. There is an important characteristic of a downtrend. Whenever CPR are descending, आप देखेंगे कि कैंडल्स ऊपर मूव करते हैं, CPR को टच करते हैं, then it reverses. See again here, it comes down, moves up, and then again takes a reversal. Moves up, stays there for some time and takes a reversal. Moves up, takes a reversal, moves up, and then again you can see the reversal. So this is an important feature of CPR. So whenever there are continuously descending CPR, then you will get lot of trading opportunities. How? Whenever market is up, you go and take a short position, and whenever it deviates away from the CPR, then you can buy the dips. So buy the dips, sell the rips. In a descending CPR, you will take short position. तो जब भी मार्केट ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा, CPR को टच करेगा, those are the opportunities when you have to take short position, because in a descending CPR or in a downtrend, the overall trend is downwards, and whenever the candle touches the CPR, those are the opportunities where you should take a short position. Let's move ahead. Here again, descending CPR, one after the others, and you see the market is going in a clear downtrend. यहाँ पे भी जब भी market CPR को touch करेगा, those are the opportunities when you should be taking the short position. Right? Moving ahead, we will see some example of uptrend. Uptrend में क्या होगा? CPRs ऊपर की तरफ मूव करेंगे and you will see an ascending CPR. See here, the CPRs are moving upwards in an ascending manner, and see the trend of the market, it is going upwards. तो upwards में हमारा स्ट्रेटजी चेंज हो जाएगा. शॉर्ट होने की वजह we will go long this time. Whenever the candle touches the CPR, we will go a long position here and see the movement. Every time it will go for a correction, and whenever it dips, we will take long position. So here we'll buy the dips and sell the rips, and a strategy will be long position. Right? We'll see another example. Here again, we see an ascending market here, ascending CPR, and the overall trend is bullish. So ascending CPR results in a bullish market, where the strategy is to go long, buy the dips and sell the rips. जब भी candles CPR को touch करेगा, we will buy, and whenever it moves away from the CPR, we will sell. All right, one more example. You can see clearly the market is in an uptrend, and it is clearly captured by ascending CPR, moving upwards day after day, and every time it dips, you go long here. See how many opportunities it has given within a short span of for 13 continuous days. The market has been in uptrend, and you can get umpteen number of opportunities to make profit here. Every time it comes down, touches the CPR, those are the times when you should be going long here. So buying the dips, and whenever it deviates away from the CPR, you are supposed to sell those rips. Moving ahead, here's the quick summary of the concept that we have learned in this video. And remember, through this video we have understood that trend is our friend, right? And we have also known how to identify the trend, how to buy the dips and sell the rips. So these are the summary. Go through it quickly. This was an important video, friends. And the next video we will learn about virgin CPR, why it is so popular and very effective. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do let us know your thoughts. On that note, I'm signing off. Do take care of yourself and your loved ones. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye.